If you're working and you come across a problem, here's how you can use your Copilot tool to go ahead and help you solve that problem. You want to ensure you're in the Web tab, and you want to use a prompt like this. Search the web for current best practices, tools, and expert recommendations to help. But this is my role, Change Manager. I'm solving the problem of Copilot adoption. Focus on examples relevant to my organization and include case studies or examples from similar industries. Use trusted sources published in 12 months. I'm putting Copilot in a box. I don't want 2 years. I wanted to focus on 12 months and include links that I can use, put it in a table. I'm going to send this. My Copilot tool is going to be able to go ahead and give me a list of ways to actually solve this problem of Copilot adoption, put it into a table. For example, the category here, adoption strategy, is one of the solutions here. I can go ahead and leverage a phased adoption model. All right, here's the tools and artifacts, industry example, and here's the source where I can actually go ahead and read from an actual article about how to go ahead and solve that Copilot adoption, M365 Copilot adoption playbook. A great use case for us to be able to solve our problems with our Copilot, focusing on the web and get into the solutions faster. So I work at Rewire IT. At Rewire IT, we help organizations adopt technology, not just install it. Our expert trainers and change managers work side by side with your teams to make tools simple, practical, and impactful in the work that people do. If you want your technology investments to truly stick, go to rewire-it.com and let's go ahead and rewire the way your organization adopts technology.